Adapting e-learning for a global workforce. In today's interconnected world, organizations are bringing together teams from different cultures, languages, and time zones. E-learning has emerged as a powerful tool to deliver training across these diverse landscapes, offering flexibility and scalability. But there's more to it than just translating content. Adapting e-learning for a global workforce requires a deep understanding of the unique challenges and thoughtful strategies to overcome them. Training a global workforce isn't just about putting content online. There are several factors you need to consider. Cultural diversity. Different cultures have different learning preferences and communication styles. What works in one region might not be effective in another. Language barriers. Not all employees are fluent in the training language, which can lead to misunderstandings or disengagement. Time zone differences. Coordinating live sessions across multiple time zones is tough, making asynchronous learning options essential. Technological disparities. Access to technology varies widely. Some employees may have limited access to high-speed internet or the latest devices. Legal considerations. Each country has its own laws regarding training and data privacy, so your e-learning must comply with local regulations. Strategies to effectively adapt your e-learning programs for a global audience. Localization and translation. Flexible learning options. Inclusive and accessible content. Leveraging technology. Feedback and improvement. Adapting e-learning for a global workforce is about more than just reaching employees wherever they are. It's about making sure that the training resonates with them, engages them, and helps them succeed. With the right approach, you can unlock the full potential of your global workforce, driving innovation and success on a global scale. Thank you for watching the video. Blitz Learning provides all the essential e-learning modules to global workforce across the globe. For more, contact us at blitzlearning.in.